Welcome to Peru, a land where ancient wonders meet breathtaking landscapes. In this guide, we'll explore the top reasons why Peru should be on your travel list for 2025. First up is the legendary Machu Picchu. This 15th century Incan marvel, nestled high in the Andes, offers stunning views and a glimpse into Peru's rich history. Aim to visit between May and September for the best hiking weather. Next, we journey to the Sacred Valley, known for its breathtaking scenery and vibrant culture. Explore bustling markets in Paisac and ancient ruins at Ollantaytambo for an authentic Peruvian experience. No trip to Peru is complete without visiting Cusco, the historic capital of the Inca Empire. Stroll through cobblestone streets, admire colonial architecture, and indulge in local delicacies like ceviche and alpaca steak. Then we travel to Lake Titicaca, the highest navigable lake in the world. Experience the unique Uros floating islands, made entirely from Tatora reeds, a truly unforgettable encounter with indigenous culture. Lastly, don't miss the Amazon rainforest, home to incredible biodiversity. Guided tours during the dry season from May to October allow you to immerse yourself in this lush paradise and spot exotic wildlife. Are you ready to explore Peru in 2025? Let us know in the comments what attractions excite you most. Don't forget to subscribe for more travel guides and insights.